Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also that bell, and then you'll never miss any of my wig related videos. I'm bringing you a review today for PinkyPromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@PinkyPromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So I feel gorgeous in this hair today. My goodness, I am from California originally, and I am channeling my California blonde beach girl vibe here today. So this gorgeous wig is Kushikamana 23" by BelleTress, and it is in the gorgeous blonde Butterbeer Blonde. So can't wait to tell you more about her in just a moment. Talking about Kushikamana 23" by BelleTress. Oh my goodness, y'all. I feel absolutely fabulous in this hair. I mean, it's just one of those wigs that you put it on and I'm like, wow, I'm a totally different person today. I've got long blonde hair and I feel fabulous. So, oh my goodness, what a gorgeous wig. But I will say, with these long heat-friendly fibers, your best friend is going to be your little wide tooth comb. She is going to need you to comb through her frequently. Your silk sprays or silicone sprays are also going to be your friend on the nape when you remove this. But the great thing about this style being straight is that if you do get some tangling and you do get some wear on it, you can spray it with your silicone spray or a heat-friendly, your heat protectant spray, and go over it with your flat iron, and it's really easy to care for these long straight fibers, as opposed to the wavy pieces where you're trying to make sure you maintain your wave pattern. So anyway, okay, well, I will do a turn so we can see her all the way around. I'm going to be going in and out from the camera because she's so long. So I'll show you her all the way around, then we'll get into all her specs. Okay, so here she is from the front. Gorgeous. I mean, woo! The cut is beautiful. The color's fabulous. Okay, so here is my left side. I love the layers, towards the face. It just softens her up. Here's the back. Long, long ladies. Definitely past the brow strap. Not quite to my waist. Right side. And back to the front. Okay, so she is a lace front with a left mono part. So there you can see that lace front. Looks nice. Here is that left mono part. Finally got this part open. It was a little challenging, but it is opened up. So here is the ear tabs. The ear tabs look good. I've got good coverage. I will say this cap on my petite head is a little long ear to ear. The ear tabs, so when I go to tuck behind the ear, see how the ear tab wants to flare out because it's a little long on me ear to ear on my petite head. So I definitely think this is average and average plus. I can make it work for my petite head. There's just gonna be those little challenges like tucking it behind the ears and stuff like that. But you can tuck it and not put all the hair, behind your ears easily. So that's no problem. So, okay, so measurement wise, she is, her front and sides are 8 inches. So that is this layer right here. So if you wanted to do a bang, your shortest layer is gonna be an 8-inch layer there. She has a 23-inch layer, of course, here in the back. That's where she gets her name, 23. And then her nape is a 15.5-inch nape, so very long nape. Weight-wise, she comes in, it's saying 7 ounces. She doesn't feel real heavy, though. So overall measurements, 8 inches to 23 inches. Okay, let's pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Before I flip her around, I'll show you this mono part. Looks nice. Lace front. Okay, so there's a little string there. Okay, so you've got your left mono part, goes back to the crown, which is really nice. Goes from, ear tab, top of the ear tab to the top of the ear tab, so temple to temple. Closed lace up, or closed wefting, closed lace up here. No permatease in this wig anywhere. Very low density, low density, but with 23 inches, lots of hair. Nice size piece of metal in the ear tab. These are that, you know, soft felt covered, open wefted cap, pull adjusters, extended soft felt nape. Plenty of stretch in this cap, so I think this is going to easily accommodate larger head sizes. But as a petite, don't be intimidated by it, you know. What I would do for this on my petite head is I would just make sure I had a good piece of, you know, tape there across the front for taping down that lace front. So look at this beautiful color, Butterbeer Blonde. So the code for Butterbeer Blonde is 8R. You have an 8 root, 1923. The color is described as sandy blonde, ash blonde, and light blonde blend with medium brown roots. Very, very pretty. Definitely see those, you know, blonde variations in the color. And then you have your rooting, you know, anytime you separate the hair, you have your rooting there. So you have the rooting around the face. You do have some highlighting, you know, right at the lace front there. Rooting all around the face. Really pretty. Okay, all my lights are off here. You can see the variation in the blondes. See your rooting. So here we are outside with Butterbeer Blonde in covered light in my patio. There's your lace front. The part. Okay, I'm going to step into the sun here. Then out of the sun in just shaded light. Such a pretty color. Glasses and styling and all that. So because she's a little long on me ear to ear, I went ahead and tucked one side just to save time because it just takes a minute. But she's really easy with glasses. Like I said, I think she's probably 12, measuring like 12 ear to ear, and I'm an 11, so that's why she's just a bit big on me. But she's low density, so glasses are super easy. Headband looks really cute with her. You can maybe pull down those little bang layers also. And of course you can untuck her and just stick a headband or a scarf or whatever. You know, she'd be beautiful for braiding, for side ponies, for all kinds of stuff like that. So she works really nice, half up, half down. Again, with those ear tabs, I just want to make sure that they're bent and they're flush against my face when I do pull her up. And of course, she makes a gorgeous ponytail. I think you could go higher. I'm going to keep it kind of low just for the sake of time, but you know, and then she's got all kinds of potential, you know, for updos. And with these heat-friendly fibers, you can add waves to her if you want to. Just remember that if you put waves in her and you wash her, she's going to have memory for that, you know, for the wavy pattern. So if you want to get your straight pattern back, you're going to have to go back in and, you know, use your straight iron on her to straighten her back out. But she is just absolutely so pretty. She's pretty all brought to one side. Gorgeous. And then of course you can do, you know, off the face styling with her. I like that little baby hair that wants to hang down there. You know, so she's just absolutely beautiful. And I'm so excited to try this color because I've always wondered, this color is so popular and it is just absolutely beautiful. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending me this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.